Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be opening this rival gun, the Kronos one. So let me get it out of the box to show you guys. Okay, so here's the gun right here. It does come with 5 rival rounds. It says rival right here. Has a cool looking symbol right here. And up here is where you're supposed to put the rival rounds. And there, it's already preloaded. Here it is. You just have to shoot it. It's really hard. But now you can see in here. If I pull this back, you can see some rounds in there. Not sure how much you can fit, because I only have 5 right now. They're about this size. So yeah. This gun also came with these things right here, which I think are for you to choose which team you are on. Let me just open these real quick. I just ran out of storage, but here it is. You can put these on your gun or on your hand. It's Nerf rival. This is another one. This one's the blue one. Also says Nerf rival. So here is how it looks like for this to go on here. You just have to put it right here, and there you go. Just have this red tag. It says Nerf rival. You have your pistol. So that is gonna do it for this review of the Nerf rival Kronos. So I think it's a pretty good gun. I recommend it if you would just want to get into rival, because it doesn't cost that much. See you guys in another video.